Today's experiment is for the 4th grade, and it's talking about weather and about convections and about that idea that when air is heated, that it rises. And so we're just going to do a simple experiment that shows this. All you need is a piece of paper cut into a square, so you just need to cut that edge off to make it into a square, and then a pencil, some type of string. I used floss, and then some type of heating source. You can use the lamp, or you could use a stove or a candle, but if you are using a stove or a candle, you need to have adult supervision, and you need to be super careful doing it. Now you just draw a spiral on your paper. You just start at the edge of the paper and then just draw circles going in. They're not connecting. And you do 2 or 3 little spirals. Take your scissors and you're just going to cut around the spirals that you just made. After you're done cutting, you're going to have to do a little bit more cutting because you still are in that square. So you just need to cut off the corners so that they're rounded. So those are the corners you need to cut off. Next, I just took the pencil and I just made a little hole in it. You could use a needle if you wanted to, but I just used the tip of my pencil. Now you're just going to take your string and you're going to tie it in the hole that you had made. So then you're going to be able to lift it up. And then you need to hold it over your heat source. I just taped it to the ceiling and I made sure that it wasn't touching the heat source. You can just hold it over the top of it. And as you can see, as time went on, the air heated around it, that the air was moving in a spiral. This example uses the oven, and you can see that it works a lot better because the heat source is a lot stronger. But you have to be super careful because it is a stronger heat source. So please be super careful and use an adult to help you. Let's review the science behind this. When the air is heated, it rises, and so it makes that air move. And as that air is moving upwards, and it connects with the colder air, is going to form clouds. And if this happens in a more fast and also more intense environment, it's going to create the storm clouds. When you're finished, you can just take it outside and hang it up, and you can watch what it does in the wind.